guys, welcome back to Cherry Channel. My name's Lizzie. Today we're going to be doing something really fun. I'm going to be opening this little kit. It's do-it-yourself bath bombs. And let's see how it goes. So first we have to obviously open the package. It's a pretty big box. I like it. It's nice and pink, purple. You know, I've never done any bath bombs before, so hopefully this comes out. So let me see. It says that there's a heart-shaped mold included, a ball-shaped mold included, and measuring spoon and a stirring stick. Let's see how this goes. Okay. So there's the packet. Okay. So once we open this, there's some instructions. There is the measuring scoop, the stick. We have 1, 2 food colorings. Oh, 3 food colorings. What is this? It says strawberry fragrance. Ooh, it's gonna smell good. You also have the ball shape, the mold. And where's the heart? Oh, here's the heart right there. And then we have, I guess, the ingredients. Cornstarch, baking soda. You guys can probably do this at home. Bullseye. Sorry, that's my dog. This, I don't know what that is. Let me see, we also have some salt. More baking soda and cornstarch and more salt. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so first, let me read through the instructions. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, so it says, mixing 1 bag of each ingredient will make 3 bath bombs. Take 1 bag of each baking soda, cornstarch, Epsom salt, and mix in a bowl. And it says oil. Where's the oil? Oh, cooking oil. I supposed to be, oh my God. Okay, so I'm supposed to be providing the cooking oil. So I guess you go to your kitchen and get cooking. Be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, we're back in focus. Okay, so the recipe calls for oil. I got some olive oil. We'll see how that works. So I guess we can get started on this. So I guess each of the mixtures actually makes 3 bath bombs. So I think that should be enough. They give you for 2 mixtures. So that means 6 bath bombs per thing. Jesse, bullseye, stop. Sorry. Okay, guys, so let's get started. It says here that it's that I need some baking soda, some cornstarch, and some Epsom salt. So let's mix these up. I'll open these. They're actually pretty easy to open. Let me see. Okay, next is my cornstarch. Cornstarch. Open this up. Cornstarch is really fine. It's actually very messy, so be careful on that. And lastly, salt. Okay, 3 ingredients. Now I guess I'm gonna mix. Making such a mess here. Okay, so on the instructions it says that they were supposed to be measurements in here, which I don't see. Oh, actually, yes, there's lines. There's lines in here and it gives you like the measurements. Okay. Okay, so next step is to be add the liquids to the dry ingredients. So first we need 20 milliliters of water. So I got myself some water. And 20 milliliters. There's actually like a measuring cup in here. So if you like scoot it this way, you can kind of see. There's 20 milliliters. Like, this is so bad. 20 milliliters. I'm gonna dump that in there. Next, we need 5 milliliters of fragrance. And 5 milliliters is right there. So let's put this fragrance. Oh, that smells really good. Oops. Okay, that's 5 milliliters. And next is 5 milliliters of oil. It says here you can use any cooking oil. So right now, like I said, I'm using olive oil. Let's see if this works. Okay. Now I have to mix in the powder. Next, we're going to be adding the citric acid. No. Succinic acid. I'm not sure what that is. But it's a bath bomb acid. So we put that in there. And we have to mix it in. Okay, so after we're all done mixing here, making sure there's no clumps, everything's uniformly mixed. Next, what we do is we get other plates. So let's say this, or any other dishes. So that way we're able to make some colors from it. So we can spread evenly. Looks about even. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get these prepared. So I'm gonna open this little ball, and I'm gonna open this little heart. Get them ready. So we have to work not that fast. It says about 15 minutes before they're dry. So what we do is we mix 1 or 7 drops. No, actually up to 7 drops. So we actually are going to be mixing 7 drops of food coloring. This is food coloring to each of the batches. So let's make 7 blue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 blue. Look how it's fizzling. So let me just mix that up really quick. No, 7 blue. Mix it up. Really good. I'll mix it up in a bit. And then there's red food coloring. 7 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to be putting some yellow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put 8. And lastly, I want to be making, I don't know, let's make blue and yellow makes green. So let's make green. 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. Oh, that was more than 7, but it's okay. Bullseye. So now it's just time to mix. So we have all of our colors. So next, what we do is we're going to get the mold that we want. So I want the heart. So the thing with this is we get to add whatever color you want, and just press on it hard. So I want to add blue, and I want to add green. Blue and green on this side. Okay, a little bit more blue. A little bit more green. Okay, that's one side. Next, I'm going to get the other side. I'm going to put, looks like pink, I guess. Red, pink. And yellow. Okay. Let's add a little bit more to this one. And a little bit more on this one. Okay, so now the hard part, I think, would be trying to join them together. So, let's see how this goes. Oh! Put the extra on the side. So we press it hard. We're supposed to press it really hard. Okay. There's a heart. Let's just leave that on the side. And now let's do the actual bath bomb. Okay, so I have my 2 bath bombs ready to go. So we're just gonna wait just a couple more minutes and then we'll pull them apart. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of minutes. Now it's time to reveal. Hopefully they come out. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I'm not sure how they're gonna turn out. But it says we're supposed to tap. And then hopefully they'll come out. Wow, look at that. Look at these colors. These are so pretty. So there's one bath bomb. It's enough. We tap it. Hopefully it comes out. We'll see. Okay. Here comes nothing. There goes nothing. Okay. One side is pretty. Perfect. Look at that. Look at this bath bomb. Really pretty. So there's your yellow. There is pink, green, blue. Okay. And that's how you do these bath bombs. Okay guys, so there you have it. There is the do-it-yourself bath bomb kit. I have my bath bomb here, and then there's a heart-shaped one as well. It says after you make them, just to leave them in the counter for about 24 hours so they can harden all the way. And then after that, you are good to go and put them in the water and have fun. Well, thank you again for watching, and enjoy. And hopefully you guys should like show me your bath bombs. I want to see how they come out. All right, bye. Thank you.